The 2015 Silverado 3500 HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, lane departure warning, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, home link garage door opener, cruise control, automatic stability control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel ABS, premium sound, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, fog lamps, heated steering wheel, OnStar 1-year safe and sound service. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.